Hello there, Capricorn sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. This is your reading for the month of September, love reading. So, Capricorn sign, hindi lahat ng Capricorn sign maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, take what resonates and leave the rest. So, Capricorn cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Capricorn sign. So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo maka-resonate Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placements, your sun, your moon, your rising, your Venus signs. And pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate or kahit naka-resonate kayo dito, pwede nyo pa din panoorin yung other zodiac signs ninyo, other placement ninyo kasi pwede mag-connect doon yung reading niyo. So, yun. Okay? I am doing a private reading. So, sa mga gusto magpa-private reading, just message me or visit me on my Facebook page, Dark Angels Intuition. Yun. So, I'm going to pull an oracle card. This is an Angel Romance oracle card for the zodiac sign Capricorn. Passion. So, passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. I remember, isang zodiac sign na nakakuha din ito. So, you can check that signs. Pwedeng maka-resonate kayo doon. So, Capricorn, what's up? Anong meron kay Capricorn sa relationship nila? So, Capricorn, anong nangyayari sa relationship ninyo ngayon, Capricorn? Capricorn, this is you. Capricorn, somebody might be offering you a marriage, pero you are afraid. Natatakot ka, medyo trap ka sa sitwasyon na confused ka, maybe to accept this person or no. Pero medyo matagal na din naman na kayo, or you feel very connected naman sa taong ito. I can see that this person is a matured one. This person is really like gaining his strength or naglalakas siya ng loob dito na to offer you marriage talaga. Siguro feeling ko dito, this is someone matured and you are not sure about this person. Baka lulukuhin ka lang. Dito ka natatakot. So, well, Capricorn will always be Capricorn. Hindi talaga sila ganun kaagad na natatempt into anything about love kasi mas gusto kasi nila yung merong silang makakasama na someone to be there for life, na sure na talaga sila doon. Parang ganun, commitment is commitment talaga kay Capricorn. So, this time Capricorn, nakikita ko sa'yo, parang may takot ka na baka saktan ka ng taong ito. May takot ka kung mahal ka ba talaga nito or what. May takot ka na baka iwan ka lang din nito. So, kasi medyo naramdaman mo sa kanya yung pagiging niya, easy-go-lucky. Okay? So, masyado siyang social media yung niya, sarili niya, masyado siya into social media. So, or it's either not in social media, masyado siyang ma-friends, or meron kang feeling about maano siya masyado parang hindi siya totally like what you want. Okay, parang hindi siya yung example kung meron man kayong communication or relationship ng person na to, hindi pa talaga siya yung gusto mong makasama. Like you are still observing this person. Okay, parang ganun. Kaya medyo trap ka whether to accept this person or no. Kasi mahal mo naman din siya. Kasi nandito yung Lover's card. Madami na kayong pinagdaanan or it's there, very much connected ka din sa kanya. Ramdam mo din siya kahit papano. Andun lang sa point na ginamit mo yung utak mo dito na wait lang, parang hindi ako sure dito, baka saktan lang ako nito, baka ganyan. Siguro bakit nagustuhan mo din siya kasi you have, parang meron kayong full of passion na dalawa. You feel joy and every time na magkasama kayong dalawa. So, kaya parang ganun yung nangyayari sa inyo. Ano bang nangyari in the past, recent past? What happened for a while? Give me one few seconds. So, what happened recently for Capricorn? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. You are really like much enjoying your life, Capricorn. This person gave you freedom to enjoy your life. Kaya nga, meron talagang, nagustuhan mo din talaga siya. Every time you are together might be like parang, there's a lot of passion, enjoyments, freedom ang nararamdaman mo dito. Pero sobra kang nag-iisip this time, Capricorn, about the commitment na this person is offering you. Gusto mo muna somehow na maging sure or to find that the enlightenment of your life towards this decision, marriage. Kasi meron kang fear of losing someone na parang lokohin, separation. Yun yung takot mo kasi baka syempre once na married kayo is already different na talaga na pag-uusapan yun. Walang atrasan talaga yun. So, okay. So, isa pa, Capricorn, I can sense na may nararamdaman ka para sa taong ito. Pero there is someone from the past talaga na mostly you wanted to come back. Okay? Somehow you wanted to take the leap of faith towards this person. Yung accept mo yung marriage proposal niya. Pero you are still waiting for someone from the past na umalis na lang ng kalmado before. Kayo yung committed ng person na yun. Okay? Kayo yung committed. And might be, nung naka-move on ka na, may nakilala ka that someone and this person is like offering you marriage this time. So, hindi ka sure kasi meron ka pa talagang hinihintay na someone from the past na sobra mo din talagang minahal. So, nawasak lang talaga kayo, naging imbalance kayo ng person na yun sa away. Pero, minahal mo talaga yung taong yun. Kaya pala ganun. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung feelings ng person na to para sa'yo. Feelings ng person na to para sa'yo. Ano yung feelings ni person para sa'yo? This person really much serious about you, Capricorn. Gusto niya talaga ng changes with you, like he feels or she feels na parang gabay siya ng Panginoon para sa'yo. Parang that the universe, parang soulmate connection, something like that. Gusto niya talaga mag-build ng family with you, to move forward towards with you. Pero andun din sa point, sa feeling niya, parang bakit may option, parang feeling niya that merong kailangan, bakit parang merong kailangan na pagpilian, or bakit parang merong kailangan na maghintay ba or what, kasi ikaw yung parang umatras, ikaw yung parang hindi sure. So napaisip siya doon, naramdaman niya yun, yung action mo might be, or sinabi mo ba parang ka sa kanya to. So gusto niya lang talaga na magkaroon ng changes with your relationship. Gusto niyang, medyo na-confuse siya however sa reaction mo. Pero kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman niya, gusto niya talaga malaman yon ng totoo, kung bakit medyo umatras ka, or bakit parang hindi ka excited or what. Pero willing naman din siya to wait. Willing siya na to move forward talaga towards with you, Capricorn. This person really feel na parang through the fights, through the pains, through the obstacles, makakayanan ninyong dalawa. Let's see about yours. May feeling ka dito na pagod sa kung ano man i-decision mo dito sa offer ng person na to. Feeling unsureness, feeling tired, because also you are waiting for someone to come back into your life. Parang andun ka sa point, mayroong option nga sa'yo about kung babalik yun siya yung pipiliin mo, pero kung hindi, ito na yung pipiliin mo. Pero napapagod ka dito sa kahintay kung kailan ka magdesisyon, and hindi ka even sure. Baka andun sa point kasi na nawawalan ka din ng pag-asa about that past. You feel cold somehow, hindi mo feel yung passion nitong relationship na meron kayo. Hindi naman sa hindi mo siya mahal, hindi naman sa hindi mo siya, iba kasi yung Capricorn iba sila mag-isip, magramdam, kasi ginagamit din nila yung utak nila. So you are happy naman with this person, focus kayo sa isa't isa sa relationship na meron kayo, but naghanap ka pa talaga ng idea kasi about having a decision whether to accept this person or no, kasi nga hindi ka pa naka-move on from the past talaga, Capricorn. Ando sa point of see, you still want that this person from the past will be the one who will move forward towards with you, will be there para balikan ka at magkabalikan kayo. Might be meron talaga kayong commitment nitong someone from the past. So what will happen this month of September? So, this month of September, unsureness. So, this month of September, medyo merong unsureness talaga na mangyayari. Feeling ko, merong kang makukuhang news about your past person. Okay, so anyway, Capricorn, you might be dealing here with Capricorn, same Capricorn, or might be this is you, Virgo sign, okay, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or might be you have an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo in your chart, okay, ano pa, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces side is here, Aries sign is here, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, so water signs also here. Anyway, let's continue sa kung anong pwede mangyari this month of September. Unsureness para sa'yo, lalo na kung medyo may maanuhan ka na news, ano ba tawag doon? May masasagap ka na news about your past person that ito na yung sinasabi mong option. Isa na to sa magiging option mo sa decision na gagawin mo. This is someone from the past. So, this September, I can sense na parang magkakaroon kayo ng communication, pero feeling ko talaga dito, Capricorn, with this communication na meron kayo ng past person na to, is something na hindi na, parang mahirap na magkabalikan. Parang this will going to make you decide about sa offer na yung isa. Hindi ko sasabihin na tatanggapin mo yung offer ng isa, pero when mayroon ka matanggap na news, parang ito na yung tutuldukan na. Parang, okay, kailangan ko na talaga mag-move on from that past person. Parang siguro, hindi, obvious na hindi na siya babalik, something like that, sa mga news na matatanggap mo. Pero, wala pa naman ako nakita this coming September about the decision na sa offer sa'yo ng person, no? Ng person mo. So, this will be the guide. Alam mo, Capricorn sign, sino maka-resonate sa reading na to, yung person na nag-offer sa'yo ng marriage could be the one for you. Just enjoy the passion that you have with this person. Okay? Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy together with this person. Nakikita ko kasi, you might be meant to be kasi nandito yung lover's card. This is a soulmate or a twin flame connection. If you will going to accept and forgive what happened man sa inyo with that past person, kung tuluyan ka na talaga na mag-walk away emotionally from that past person para magkaroon na ng new beginning sa buhay mo. Okay, so it doesn't mean that pag lumayo ka na dito ng tuluyan, mag-decide ka na is tatanggapin mo to ulit. Kasi pwede kasi kayo yung magkakatuluyan talaga dito eh. With this King and Queen of Pentacles. These are couples and maganda yung future pag ganito. Kasi these are Pentacles, money. Okay? So, pwede mong umpisahan ulit. Pwede mong, kasi nakikita ko may patience naman si person eh. Pwede kayo mag-start again with, full of, with passion, you know, date again and try again. And hanggang sa maramdaman mo na talaga na ito na pala talaga para sa akin. So, it doesn't need to be in hurry to accept the offer. Kailangan mo lang talaga dito tanggapin na wala na talaga kayo nung past person na yun. Okay? Na meron na talagang ending sa inyong dalawa, and kailangan mo na talaga dito na mag-effort towards this new beginning of your life. Okay, another journey sa buhay mo. Na mahalin mo yung taong nakikita ko, mahal ka din naman talaga. Okay, so pero nasa decision mo pa rin yan, Taurus. Guide lang yan sa'yo kasi na pwedeng maganda yung future mo sa taong ito. Baka kasi tanggihan mo na maganda pala yung future di sayang, diba? So, parang guide lang yun sa'yo whatever happen. Decision mo pa din yan. Walang makakapigil sa'yo kung ano yung decision mo. So, that is my reading for you, Capricorn sign. Thank you and God bless.